Hello guys, welcome to After Effects tutorial, and today I want to show you how to track object in live action footage. So let's start. First, click on new composition from footage and select your video. Next, go to window, workspace, select effect and reset. So guys, and now I need to select one of this scene. I need to select this scene. Trim your cone like this. And right click here, trim comp. So turn off the audio and lock your footage. And now I need to track this one. It's very easy. Go to motion tracking. Select motion tracking. And don't forget, select your video and click on track motion. Just turn on the position and select your target, move, track point, sit right there, and zoom out, click on track. Good. And now right click, create a new null object and go to edit target, null one, okay, and click on apply, select X and Y. Okay, and now you can see your null object right there. So guys, there is a little bit problem because our tracking is missed from start. Sit here, select again, take a look, and click again on tracking, set the point right there. First, select on analyze backward tracking, and next click on forward tracking. Great. Click edit target, null one, okay, apply, okay. And now you can see, take a look, our tracking is perfect. Select your tracker one, right click. Here you can rename, you can control your tracker. Close, close. So guys, and now right click, select the text, and right here, tracking one. Select your title and set right there. And select your title, parent, and link to the null object. Take a look. And now you can see your tracking. So if you need to track the second bike, let's see which one is better. Select this one. So, and now go again, select your video, track motion, zoom in, set track point right there, and click forward. Good. Right click, create another null object, go to edit target and select null object 2, okay. Click apply, okay. And now you can see your second null object right there. Second. Create another text right here, tracking 2. Okay. And now you can set here, move your anchor point right there and change your title size. Select again your anchor point, set right there, set here, select and parent link to null2. Play now. Here you can see tracking 1, tracking 2. But okay guys, this was about tracking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe the channel. Have a good time. Good luck.